Everyone, my name is Mohammad Usman Akram. Today we are going to make Earth animation in Blender 2.90.1. So let's get started. First of all, press X to remove box. Now add mesh, then UV sphere. Now increase the size by pressing S and 3. Now we need to add a modifier. Subdivision surface, increase level view to 3, render to 3. Now apply. Shade smooth. We need to add a sun. Add light, then sun. Now press G to grab the sun and move it to x-axis. Now go into render view. Dark background black. Okay. Now go into edit mode. Press U and unwrap. Sphere projection. Now open a new window. Now click on UV editor. Image texture.